Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta lasagna at home easy method. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees F and assembling a 9x 13-inch baking dish, sauce, cheeses, and cooked meat. Simmer a simple tomato sauce with garlic and basil while you layer. Use no-boil pasta or pre-cooked noodles briefly for better texture. Layer sauce, noodles, ricotta, meat, and mozzarella, then repeat and bake until bubbly and golden. Warm and cozy flavors start with a rich tomato sauce. Sauté onion and garlic in olive oil until soft. Add 1 pound of brown ground beef or sausage, then stir in crushed tomatoes and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Simmer gently for about 20 minutes to meld flavors and thicken the sauce. Finish with fresh basil and adjust salt and pepper to taste, then set aside for layering to keep everything warm. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I love mine and they keep my feet happy while I cook. Check the description for the link and other deals you might enjoy. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling is simple and satisfying when you work quickly. Start with a thin sauce layer so the bottom noodles stay moist, then add a single layer of pasta sheets. Dollop and spread ricotta mixed with 1 egg, add a generous spoonful of meat sauce, and sprinkle shredded mozzarella. Repeat layers until the dish is full, finish with extra cheese on top, cover with foil, and bake covered then uncovered until bubbly and golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.